What's up, y'all? So yesterday I made a very impulsive decision, and I'm happy that I did. But now that I think about it, I need to go back to the house because what I ended up doing was I cleaned out my entire closet, like everything, like a everything must go type of vibe. Everything must go. Because yesterday, in yesterday's video diary, I was sharing with y'all like literally what's in my closet. I'm not saying it's not cute clothes, it's not, nice things that I like to wear, but for who I am becoming and where I'm going, it just doesn't align anymore. It really doesn't. So I cleaned out my entire closet. Why am I still driving when I need to turn around? I'll just go that way. So I cleaned out my entire closet, like 2 big bags worth of clothes, and I went to Plato's Closet like right before they were about to close, and they took a lot of items. I'm surprised they took a lot of items, because the thing is, a lot of the clothes that I have, I'm gonna just do a 3-point turn real quick. A lot of the clothes that's in my closet are clothes that I've worn maybe once, never worn, or maybe just worn it like 2 or 3 times. No lie. Like, it's not wardrobe worthy pieces. And so I'm not like in a space where I am going to allow those type of pieces to take up space when I can really just completely let go and start from scratch again. And I'm okay with doing that over time. Like, I'm just okay with that. But it's funny because I didn't really factor in, like, girl, you really ain't got nothing. Like, I literally got probably about 3 or 4 pieces of clothes hanging up in my closet right now, and I'm like, but what I do love about that decision is that it's going to force me to shop. It's gonna force me to shop with purpose, with intention, and with vision. I'm not just out here vicariously getting items, because it look cute, or because, like, oh yeah, this look like this is a vibe. Like, I'm even at the point with my clothes that the materials have to be up to par. Like, I'm so over polyester. Y'all. I'm so over of the feeling of cheap clothing. Like, I'm not there anymore. I'm really not. But the reason why I just turned back around to the house is because I realized that although I cleaned out my closet, I didn't clean out my drawers. So let me just go do a clean sweep of them drawers as well, so that I don't have to be making too many like repetitive trips to these places. And it won't take long for that. I'll be right back.
The adjustments and the mindset. If you're an entrepreneur, this is the blueprint.
Let me do this. So it really shouldn't be this challenging to just write a sentence. That's it. I'm trying to be fancy when I just need to write the sentence so that I can get to the meat and the potatoes of what I need to put on here, honestly. I guess.
Or things like short form videos.
darlings. Hold on, let me turn this music. Oh, did I turn off the TV? I didn't mean to do that. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn this music off real quick. All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm not sure if I did an introduction later, but by now, if you don't know who I am, I'm Octavia.Darling. I create content. I'm Octavia.Darling. This is a video diary series. I've been posting for 70 days straight. 70 days straight. I have 30 more days to go. The goal has always been to post for 100 days straight on YouTube. And I just post with vibes, no strategy. I'm so proud of myself for making it to day 70. And y'all, so much has happened throughout these past 70 days. I can't wait to do a recap, but I'm gonna save that for the last video of this this entire series. What you all just saw me doing was mapping out an entire social media strategy. I'm not gonna tell you all about it. I'm just gonna let you watch and see. But there are some things in the works. And today I feel very liberated. I feel liberated. I feel clear on what my focus and purpose is. I feel clear on the direction that I'm headed in. And I am confident in the moves and decisions that I'm making. So I'm going to just say that. But on another note, I just had an amazing conversation with ChatGPT. Y'all ever just sit back and just chat with her? Because I call her. I call her Chat Girl. So before I ask her to do anything, I'll be like, hey, Chat Girl, what's going on? And she talks, you know, to me like she's a black girl. And I love it because it's so relatable. And I also do that because I believe one day AI is going to take over the world. And whenever they do, they're going to remember that Octavia was always nice, never demanding. I'm just saying. I just had a very refreshing conversation with her. And the more I use ChatGPT, which is not like an everyday thing, I only use it like when I feel like I need a second opinion or I want a second opinion. I feel like every time I do, I'm becoming more specific with my prompts to lead me to the answer that I am so seeking. Before, when I used to use it, I used to be very vague because I couldn't formulate my thoughts properly, like what I was trying to get at. But let's just say today, baby, I mean a full-blown conversation to the details. And because I was clear on what I was asking, Chat was able to respond with like head-on questions so that we can fully unpack what it is I want to create. And I just appreciate it. I honestly do. Yeah, I feel really great. So let me give y'all a little recap of earlier. I know we chatted about me taking some stuff to Plato's and how I did that yesterday. I just want to put this disclaimer out there. The only reason I choose Plato's as the first option whenever I clean out my closet or anything is because I have valuable items, right? And my theory is if I can make a buck from this, then I'm going to make a buck from it. Now, I start with Plato's, and whatever they don't take, that's what I then donate. And I don't feel bad about that, and I'll tell you why. Have you ever factored in the fact that what you donate is resold? So like when you donate to like the Salvation Army or something like that, y'all, they sell those items. They're making money off of what you're donating. So if I have the opportunity to make money first, I'm going to do that. And then I'll donate the rest. So with that being said, the other location of the Plato's Closet that I went to today, they didn't really take anything. I didn't expect them to, because I'm gonna be real with you. They were in an area where the demographic doesn't really wear what we wear. I'm gonna leave that at that. So I didn't really expect them to take much, but then I as I was collecting my items, I also realized, I'm like, oh, you know what? There's a younger demographic there. So it looked like it's a lot of high schoolers and maybe middle schoolers that go there. So I feel like my clothing items was probably just too grown for the girlies, which is fine. So when I brought my stuff back, I was thinking like, was I jumping the gun by like just taking everything out of my closet? Like, was I moving off of impulse or strategy, right? Like, is this something that I really want to do because of what I visualized my wardrobe looking like? Or like, was I doing it just to like, I need to get rid of this, like, you know, like that type of thing off of emotions? So I was thinking like, should I go back through the items that I have in the bags, like the items they didn't take before I donate? Or should I just donate it? Because it's a reason why I'm like, you got to go in the first place, right? Or should I go back through it? Because I'm telling y'all right now, there's literally only 3 items on my hangers in my closet. Oh, I'm so dramatic. I love it though. I love it because when I get dramatic, that means Octavia is over it. She is so over it. There is nothing that you can do to change her mind. She's made her decision. And I like that type of energy. Meaning I won't easily fold. It's over with. That's my mood, right? So, I don't know. I'm having this open discussion with y'all, but we'll see what I decide to do um, after I finish editing these video diaries. But yeah, I feel great. For it to be a Saturday, I feel good right now. I was supposed to go to a close family friend's 50th birthday extravaganza, but I had to break the news to her earlier. It was actually supposed to be my mom and I, but my mom didn't go because she went to my brother's baseball game, so left me with breaking the news. But I sent her a text to explain like, hey, we're not going to be able to make it. And I also share with her like, hey, I'm going through a shift right now in my life, and I haven't really reached a point yet to where I am out in a public social setting with other people and I don't have an emotional breakdown out of nowhere. Like, I can't guarantee that won't happen, right? Like, I can do it, and I'm not saying this is an everyday thing, but I can't guarantee that I won't get back in my head yet. Like, I'm just not there yet. So I couldn't imagine being at her 50th celebration, and especially I'm not there with my mom or anything, you know, so I'm just sitting there and like, what if I just like drift off mentally and think of what has affected me recently? Like, what if that happens and then I'm like like, you know, like I can't do it. I can't do it. So that was unfortunate, but I have to choose me right now. I get to choose me right now. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I am about to put this whiteboard upstairs, edit these video diaries, take Rocco outside. I can't say that too loud because he's sleeping right now and he'll come running down the stairs thinking I'm supposed to do that now, and it's not what I'm doing right now. Then I'm gonna cook. What's on the menu tonight is some curry fish, white rice, and some mixed greens. And we'll see where the rest of the day takes me. I'm so glad that I dedicated my time today to get work done and to strategize. It felt so good to strategize. Are you kidding me? Ugh, that felt so good, y'all. So, yeah, I just feel good. I haven't felt like this in a few days. I just feel really good, and I'm happy about that. Bobby and I had so much fun yesterday when we went out to shop for her birthday party attire. It was so nice. We met and connected with a stylist. Followed her on social media, everything. So I'm looking forward to connecting with her more. Her name is Jazz. She has a funky style as well. So like, you know, it was just a vibe yesterday. It was a vibe. I loved it. Yeah, that's all I have for y'all today. I am happy though that this video diary is longer than the last couple ones. So y'all, we're on the last lap of this series. 30 more days left till we hit the 100-day mark. And just from this energy that I have today alone, I have a feeling that these last 30 days are going to be transformative for this journey that I'm on, like completely transformative, impactful, and life-changing. And I welcome it all. So if y'all been working with me from the beginning, hang on tight because we're definitely going to finish strong, however that looks. And if you're just now joining this community, make sure you catch up from episode 1 of this series so that you can see how I have been managing my day-to-day life since then and how I've transformed as a person as well since then, because I feel like a lot has definitely changed. Yeah. So I love y'all. I realize I've been telling y'all more and more these days that I love y'all, and I really do love y'all. And I'm just so excited for what's to come. I'm so excited. So excited. So I'll chat with y'all soon. Bye.